Hello everyone, welcome to another video. So in this video we are going to see how to publish your report or dashboard in Tableau Public on Tableau Public. So if you like this video, please do like and subscribe to the channel, and I hope you like this video. So in this video we are going to see how to publish your file or workbook to the server. So I have created one dashboard here. So as you can see, our dashboard is ready. I have created some KPIs like total profit, total sales, total quantity, total discount, and these four sheets I have created. If you want to like create this dashboard, so I have already uploaded the video of these dashboards, how to create this dashboard. So you can check the video later and create this dashboard. And after creating these dashboards, so first you need to create a data source connection extract. So I have already created the extract connection, and after the connection of extract, you need to click on the server. So here is a one option. First you need, after when you complete your dashboard like work or sheet work, so after that here is a one option server. So as you can see in this ribbon, there is a one option server, and in this server option there is a one option Tableau Public. Okay, so I will save this workbook or like this dashboard in Tableau Workbook. So I will click on save to Tableau Public, or there is a, like as you can see, there is a shortcut button also, Control plus Shift plus yes. So with the help of that also you can directly connect with the Tableau Public. So I will save to Tableau Public, click on save to Tableau Public, and as you can see, our views is publishing here, sending data to the server, and saving to the our workbook to the Tableau Public. So yes, so yeah, as you can see, our dashboard is published to the on Tableau Public. And here is a one option where if you want to change the dashboard name, or if you want to if you take any inspiration, so you can paste the link here. So also if you want to like add some description of this dashboard, so here is a one visualization description box where you can add some description about this these dashboards. Also if you want to add some external links here, so you can add here. Okay, so yeah, that's it about this dashboard. And here is a some functions as you can see, like if you want to edit that dashboard, so you can edit it on Tableau Public as well. Also here is some buttons where you can download this dashboard, and here is some settings if you want to show all the sheets to the user, so you can like allow this button. Also allow access, if you want to don't allow to download your sheets or anything, so you can remove this access. And if you don't want to show this with visualization on your profile, so also you can uncheck this button. And yeah, so that's it about this publishing reports to Tableau server, and I hope you like it. So yeah, thank you, and that's it for this video.